Summer is here, and if you are looking for some fun activities to do with your toddlers, then look no further. We have got some fun-filled activities that will make this summer the best one yet. Water play. There's nothing more fun than playing with water in the hot summer. Fill up a bucket or a kiddie pool with water and let the fun begin. You can buy some water toys like floating cups, water squirters, or anything that floats. Toddlers love pouring water from one container to another. So set up a little station with some plastic containers and let them pour to their heart's content. Don't forget to bring along some waterproof sunscreen to protect their delicate skin. If you don't have a garden or a yard to play in, then take the party indoors. Fill up the bathtub with some water and let them play to their heart's content. Add some rubber ducks or boats to make it more fun. Arts and crafts. The best part about arts and crafts is that there is no right or wrong way of doing it. All you need is some basic supplies like crayons, markers, paint, brushes, and some paper. Let them draw pictures of their favorite cartoon characters or go wild with abstract art. Toddlers love to get messy, so why not let them finger paint to their heart's content? Just lay down some newspaper or a plastic tablecloth to protect your floor or table from paint splatters. As an added bonus, this activity can help develop their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Sensory bins. Sensory bins are a great way to keep toddlers entertained for hours. All you need to do is fill up a bin or a bowl with some rice, beans, or pasta and let them explore to their heart's content. You can also add some scoops and cups for them to play with. This activity is great for developing their sensory and motor skills. It also helps them learn about different shapes, colors, and textures. Fort building. Building a fort is a classic summer activity that never gets old. All you need is some blankets, pillows, and chairs to create the perfect fort. Once the fort is complete, let them decorate it with some stickers or drawings. They can use their imagination to turn the fort into a castle, a spaceship, or anything they want it to be. This activity is a great way to promote their creativity and problem-solving skills. Backyard camping. If your toddler loves camping, then setting up a backyard campout is the perfect activity for them. Pitch a tent in your backyard and let them explore the great outdoors. You can even go all out and set up a campfire and roast marshmallows. This activity is a great way to bond with your toddler and create lasting memories. Play-Doh. Play-Doh is a great way to keep toddlers entertained, and it's super easy to make. All you need is some flour, salt, and water. Once you've made the dough, let them roll it out, cut it up, and make whatever they want out of it. This activity is great for developing their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Bubbles. There's nothing more fun than playing with bubbles on a summer day. You can buy bubble wands in different shapes and sizes to make the most amount of bubbles possible. Toddlers love to chase and pop bubbles, so it's the perfect activity to keep them entertained. You can even try making your own bubble solution and see how long your bubbles last. Ice cream making. Who doesn't love ice cream? Making ice cream is a fun summer activity that the whole family can enjoy. There are many different recipes online that you can follow to make ice cream in your own home. Once the ice cream is done, let them help you serve it up and enjoy the sweet treat together. Don't let your toddler get bored this summer. With these fun-filled activities, you're sure to keep them entertained all vacation long. And don't forget to share your summer fun with us on social media. Thanks for watching.